Okay, so this is what your headlights will look like after 5 years of doing ChrisFix's permanent headlight restoration. I followed the instructions almost completely except for polishing it out, and I believe I only used 3 layers of clear coat, so you can see it's peeling a lot. If you used more, maybe that wouldn't have happened so easily, but you can see where the peach fuzz is where the clear coat is, and this part has peeled off, but it still looks really nice overall. I mean, after 5 years, they're pretty clear to me. This is the other headlight. I'm going to compare these with other headlights that have been sitting for the amount, probably around the same time, but they didn't have any clear coat or any preparation done to them. I did these headlights when they were really yellow and foggy. You could barely see through them, so I'm really happy with the results. These are the other headlights in which I didn't do anything with. See, they're kind of yellow. If you zoom in, it's also pretty foggy. These were pretty much brand new when we got them, like super clear. And this is what just happened normally over 5 years. I think the other ones in which we did the ChrisFix headlight restoration are actually clearer. If you want to follow his video, I'll put in the link, but I definitely recommend it. And in case you forgot, Jesus loves you.